again. It's another Thanksgiving coming up this week, and we found a lot of good Black Friday deals. So if you're a contractor like me, you're looking for gifts for the guys or gifts for family, I found a lot of good stuff, and I thought maybe I could just share some of those things with you. Trying to wrap this stuff, you know, for Christmas and all, but I mean, you got to save money, especially the way the economy is, right? So I got this, which I thought was pretty cool. And this is the right angle, and it works with the impact driver, and it'll turn all your screws or do whatever work you're trying to get it to do. And that's 20 bucks at Tractor Supply, about $19.95. That's the DWARA 120. Now you could get it on Amazon too, and it's about 50 cents cheaper, something like that. But this is a pretty good tool right here. Everybody wants one of these when they need it. But Home Depot, $18, guys. This one's $18. The Cuisinart. It's got the Santoku. I guess that's a 6-inch. So it's kind of small. The 6-inch is kind of small, but that's got the 8-inch chef knife. These are stainless steel. I don't think the steel is very good, but it says high quality. I don't know what kind of steel it is. But usually if they don't list the type of steel, it's probably lower grade. But I mean, $18, you can't beat it. Home Depot. Here's one I get just about every year. This kit. This one right here. Home Depot. I got bunches of these because it's like you can't have enough of these around. First aid kit. It's got a bunch of stuff. Even if you're into, I guess it's got some neon stuff. No, maybe this one doesn't. Some of them have the neon band-aids, which I like. Sometimes I work in the kitchen sometimes. Not that. But look at this from Amazon.com. It's got the lid. This was about 20 bucks, I think, 25 bucks. It's got the steamer basket, but it's a double boiler, guys. Yeah. And inside, guess what? It has the quarts. What does it have? Quarts and cups measurements. I think the bottom's a little bit thin. I used it already, but I got that one on Black Friday. It's because I really like it. What else do I got here? Well, there's lots of good stuff, guys. Just, you got to take advantage of Black Friday if you're a contractor, because you're at the hardware store, you're at Lowe's, you're at these places, so get those things and stash them away. You know, those quick gifts that are really awesome for everybody, like for the holidays, like guys you work with, whatever.